Let's start with equality. To me, that's one of the first things. Do you feel that you have an equal friendship? Are you reaching out more than the other person? A good way to get a sense for whether or not you have an equal friendship is to ask yourself, am I the one reaching out all the time? Am I the one that's making all the plans? So you want to feel that the relationship is equal on both sides. The second piece is trust. Do you feel safe with this person? Do you feel like you can tell them anything? Do you feel that they're judging you when you say things? You may not feel like they're trustworthy. The third piece is happiness and fun. You want to feel happy around your friends. You don't want to feel drained and exhausted. Good rule of thumb is when you leave this person, do you feel better or worse?